Today I will guide you step by step on how you can download all your Google account data using Google Takeout. So let's get started. First, I opened Google Chrome from my desktop, then on the top right corner I clicked on my account icon. From the drop-down menu I selected Manage Your Google Account. Once the Google Account Manager opened, I moved to the left side menu and clicked on Data and Privacy. From there, I scrolled down until I found the option Download Your Data. As soon as I saw it, I clicked on it. This took me to the Google Takeout section. Here, Google asked me which data I want to download. By default, only a few services were selected. I selected all the check boxes to include everything. Once done, I clicked on Next Step. In the next section, Google asked me how I would like to receive my data. I selected Send Download Link via email. For the export frequency, I chose Export once. Then for the file type, I selected .zip file. And for the file size, I chose 2 gigabytes. If you have a larger amount of data, you can select a bigger file size according to your needs. After that, I clicked on Create Export. A new section appeared saying that my data is being prepared for download. And once it is ready, I will receive an email.
2 hours later.
I received an email from Google. I opened my email app, clicked on the message about my Google Takeout request, and then clicked on the provided link. There I saw multiple download links for my data. I clicked on each of them one by one, and the zip files started downloading. To check the progress, I clicked on the 3 dots in the top right corner of Chrome and opened the download section. Once the downloads were completed, I clicked on the first zip file. My file manager opened, and inside I found a folder named Google Takeout. When I opened that folder, I saw multiple subfolders containing all of my Google account data. So finally, my complete Google data was successfully downloaded. That's how simple it is to back up your Google account using Google Takeout. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss an update.